So this is the first bubble in lesson 7 in code.org, unit 3 in discoveries. And it's asking us to read the code and discuss how you think it works. Change some lines and see what happens. And what do you think each line is doing? So we'll run what we have here. Okay. So var for variable fruit creates sprite at 100 and 200. And then fruit.setAnimation apple. Okay, well, let's see. What happens if we take this away? I'm going to Command X or Control X or Command X this. And now I'm going to run this. Well, now it doesn't work. So that must mean, I'm going to put it back, that you need that to make it work. And what happens if we change this to 200? That moves on the X. So that's all that bubble 1 does. The var fruit creates that sprite, and the fruit.setAnimation turns it into an apple, which has to be in the program already. And you can tell what's in the program by clicking on the animation tab and then going back to code. That was already put in the program for you, though. Later, you will put it in the program yourself. All right, that's it.